Imagine building the same prompt over and over again, tweaking the same instructions for every new task. There has to be a better way. The problem: you find yourself writing similar prompts over and over. Classify this email. Classify this review. Classify this tweet. The structure is identical. Only the details change. The solution: create one reusable template. Fill in the variables. Input type, categories, text, same structure, infinite applications. This is the power of prompt templates. Today we'll build a library of battle-tested templates for the most common AI tasks. Classification, extraction, RAG, agents, and more. By the end, you'll have reusable frameworks ready to deploy. A prompt template is a reusable prompt structure with placeholders for variable content. Think of it like a form you fill out. Think of a template like a blank form. It has placeholders: name, age, city. You fill in the blanks to create a specific instance. Same with prompts. The template has variables. You substitute them with actual values. Why use templates? Speed. Write once. Reuse forever. Consistency. Same quality every time. Best practices. Proven structures that work. And maintainability. Update the template once, and all instances improve. What makes a template good? Let's break down the essential components. A good template has 6 components. 1. Role and context. Set the AI's persona and expertise. 2. Task description. Clear objective. 3. Input format. What data to process. 4. Guidelines. Constraints and requirements. 5. Examples. Optional few short demonstrations. 6. Output format. The expected structure. Key principle. Each component serves a purpose. Don't skip any, even if it seems redundant. It helps the AI understand exactly what you want. Let's build our first template. Classification. This is one of the most common AI tasks. Let's see the structure. Here's the classification template. Role. Expert classifier in the domain. Task. Classify the input into categories. Guidelines. Consider criteria, tone, and handling uncertainty. Input. The text to classify. Output format. Category. Confidence. And reasoning. Here's a real example. We fill in the variables. Customer support classifier. Email categories. Primary intent. Objective tone. Input is a billing question. The template is now ready to use. Template 2. Information extraction. This template pulls specific data points from unstructured text. The extraction template is simple but powerful. Left side. The template with variables. Extract these fields from this text in this format. Right side. A real instance. Extract product name, price, availability from this product description. Return as JSON. The AI returns structured JSON with the extracted fields. This template works for invoices, resumes, emails, any unstructured data. Template 3. RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. This is when you provide the AI with specific context to answer from. RAG works in 4 steps. 1. User asks a question. 2. Retrieve relevant context from your knowledge base. 3. AI generates answer using that context. 4. Return the result. This grounds the AI in your specific data. The RAG template has 3 parts. Context. The retrieved documents. Question. What the user asked. Instructions. Answer only from the context. And admit if you don't know. This prevents hallucination. The key benefit. RAG gives you up-to-date answers from your own data. The AI doesn't need to know everything. You provide the context. Let's see RAG in action with ChatGPT. We'll answer a question about a company's product using their documentation. We paste in the product documentation as context. Then we ask a specific question. What are the pricing tiers? Watch how ChatGPT answers only from the provided context. Notice, the AI cites the specific section it used. It doesn't make up information. If the context doesn't contain the answer, it says so. This is the power of RAG templates. Compare. Without RAG, the AI uses general knowledge that may be outdated or hallucinated. With RAG, it uses your exact context. Always current. Cites sources. Reliable and verifiable. Template 4. The Agent Template. This is for AI that can use tools and take actions. Not just generate text. Traditional AI. Question in. Answer out. Agent AI. Question in. Think. Use tools. Get results. Then answer. Agents can search the web. Run code. Call APIs. And more. The agent template defines available tools with descriptions. The task is what the user wants. Instructions tell the AI to think about which tools to use. Use them in sequence. Then provide a final answer. This creates autonomous problem solving. Common tools include web search, run Python code, send emails, query databases, create charts. The possibilities are endless. You define the tools. The AI learns to use them. Template 5. Content transformation. This template converts content from one format or style to another. Transformation is simple. Input format goes in. Transformation happens. Output format comes out. This could be technical to simple, long to short, formal to casual, or any other conversion. Common transformations. Technical to simple language. Long articles to summaries. Formal business writing to casual friendly tone. Unstructured text to structured data like JSON or CSV. One template handles them all. The transformation template specifies input and output formats. Transformation rules to follow. The content to transform. And where the output should go. Clean and reusable. Now let's learn how to build your own custom templates. Follow this 5-step process. Step 1. Identify the pattern. What task do you do repeatedly? Step 2. Extract the variables. What changes each time? Step 3. Write the structure. Create the template skeleton. Step 4. Test and iterate. Try with real examples and refine. Step 5. Document and save. Add to your template library. Here's an example. Step 1. The pattern is responding to customer emails. Step 2. Variables are customer name, issue, and solution. Step 3. Write the structure with placeholders. Step 4. Test with the real issue. Step 5. Save as customer_email_response.txt. Now you have a reusable template. How you name and use variables matters. Follow these best practices. Best practice 1. Use uppercase for variables so they stand out. Best practice 2. Be descriptive and specific, not generic. Best practice 3. Group related variables with prefixes like user underscore. Best practice 4. Provide defaults where possible, so the template works even if some values aren't specified. Always document your variables. List each one with its purpose, expected format, and any defaults. Include an example. Your future self will thank you. Let's cover the most common mistakes people make with prompt templates. Mistake 1. Templates that are too generic. A bad template just says do the task with the input. That's useless. A good template is specific. Classify this type as category A or B based on these criteria. Generic templates don't save time. Mistake 2. Too many variables. If your template has 8, 10, 12 variables, it's overcomplicated and hard to use. It defeats the purpose. Better, 3 to 5 variables maximum. Group related data into single variables when possible. Mistake 3. Not testing templates. Don't just create, save, and forget. Test with 3 to 5 real examples. Try edge cases, empty values, unexpected inputs. Find the bugs before you rely on the template in production. The final step, building your personal template library. Here's how to organize it effectively. Organize templates by category. Classification folder. Extraction. RAG. Agents. Transformation. Within each, name files descriptively. Email classifier. Invoice parser. Doc QA. This structure makes templates easy to find and reuse. Pro tips. Use version control like Git to track changes. Add a README with usage examples. Tag templates by use case and difficulty. Review and update them quarterly. And share with your team for consistency. A well-maintained library is a productivity multiplier. Key takeaways. Templates are reusable prompt structures with variables. The 5 core templates are classification, extraction, RAG, agent, and transformation. Good templates have 6 components. Use uppercase variables. Be specific. Provide defaults. Build an organized library and test everything before deployment. Here's your challenge. Build your first template library. Identify 3 tasks you do repeatedly. Create a template for each using the 6 components. Test each with 3 real examples. Document variables and usage. Organize into folders. And share one template with a colleague. Start small. Grow your library over time. Coming next, advanced prompting techniques. We'll explore self-reflection, tree of thought, program-aided prompting, and other cutting-edge methods that push AI capabilities to the limit. Build your template library. It's your AI productivity superpower. See you in the next episode.